आइए सर, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग हियर. मतलब such a cool man, ladies and gentlemen. And on screen जो किया है सर thank you so much. आमची मुंबई में आपका स्वागत है. First of all, what do you have to say to all these lovely people जिन्होंने इतनी तालियां सीटियां बजाई हैं सर?
First of all, thank you and good afternoon, everybody, and media people, and who is sitting here, Sunny sir, and Randeep ji, and brother, and all my producers, and my distributor, Anil Garu. And I am really very happy to direct the legend of Telugu Indian industry, Bollywood industry and Indian industry,
Wow.
Sunny Deol Garu. I love action films and I saw all of his films when I am directing before. I saw when I am growing up as a child, I saw his action films Gatak, Jiddi and Damini. Damini is my favorite and he is walking, that is, and when I saw that film recently, again I am directing Sunny sir, I saw Damini and I want to show this Sunny Deol to again to audience, and I'm when I'm directing Sunny sir, really I'm very happy, and I never seen that a star very humble and very lovely person. Sir, I love you, sir. Yes, I love you, and when I'm working with you, and I know how the legend is here and how the action star is here, and when I'm directing this star, I'm really every day I'm loving him, and I'm showing my love in this film. That's it.
Thank you so much, sir. Just one last question I have to ask you this. That sorry bol thing, like, is it inspired from your personal life or something? जहाँ किसी को तोड़ा हो and then you said, hey, sorry bol.
Actually, this film is, you can see this film is very realistic approach, and that is commercial way. So everyone, any regular thing, we can ask somebody some reason sorry. Sorry bol is like that only. It's very common word. So for this film, it is a proper situation is there. So you can see in the film the how Sari is going.
I got it, sir.
Yeah.
I can see it in your eyes. अगला मेरे को ही पढ़ने वाला है. Sorry bol. फालतू नहीं पूछने का. All right, now, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much, sir,
And
for sharing that. Please.
Vinith Bhaiya, suddenly tension I forgot brother and Vinith brother and Randeep ji. Really working with both is very sweetest persons, and I'm glad working with these stars. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. नहीं, I want you to stay back, sir. It's time to invite on stage the producers, ladies and gentlemen, जिन्होंने इससे पहले अभी धमाका मचाया था. Of course, box office डरा हुआ है, सहमा हुआ है इनकी वजह से. पुष्पा 2 आई थी, of course. नवीन sir and Ravi sir के लिए जोरदार तालियां. My Three movie makers say, of course, you have to give it up for them. Thank you so much, sir, for being here. सर आइए. ऑल्सो साथ में मैं बुलाना चाहूंगा टीजी विश्व प्रसाद सर को पीपल मीडिया फैक्ट्री से. ऑफ कोर्स, गिव इट अप फॉर हिम, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, द मैन हु इज बैकिंग दिस, एंड हिज डॉटर इज हियर, ऑफ कोर्स. कृति, प्लीज आप भी आइए. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग हियर. आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस फॉर यू. Sir, I've already seen this lineup, My Three movie makers ka jo lineup hai, and of course, People Media Factory ka. We'll definitely talk about that. But before that, like after Pushpa 2 and that box office pe jo hua, are we all set for another mayhem, sir? Definitely. He said it. So what made you say that abhi uske baad mujhe ye karna hai? This is what we want to back.
See, as Director Garu said, biggest action hero of the country.
Absolutely.
And working with Friday, what more can we expect for our Bollywood launch?
Right.
We can't expect anything bigger than this. And thank you so much, sir, for giving us this opportunity. And same working with Randeep sir, Vinny sir, and all the entire cast. And Director Garu Gopichand.
Right.
This is our second film. He did 7 films, all 7 blockbusters. He is the master's director, and the combination, it's going to rock.
Right. Sir, थोड़ा सा बताएं आप भी. सर की हिंदी बड़ी जोरदार है, मैं मजाक नहीं कर रहा हूँ, पूरा पटना हिला दिया था सर ने, है ना? सो थोड़ा सा सर बताएं इसके बारे में, हाउ डिड इट ऑल हैपन?
Good afternoon, everyone. So, as Naveen told, we are very, very happy to work with Sunny sir. So, Gopichand already told, like, see, from our childhood, we are seeing him, all his mass action films. And as he told, he wanted to recreate same Sunny sir again, once again in this era. And it will be a very, very different action. Definitely, we feel like this would really create records. Thank you, Sunny sir, and also Randeep Huda sir. He added a great value to the film. And Vinith sir, thank you, sir. Your presence would be very, very good in the film, and you'll be watching this film on April 10th. It will be a humongous film. That's what we are all believing. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing that. Thank you so much. Now, TG Vishwa Prasad, sir, thank you so much for being here. Of course, People Media Factory, if we talk about your previous projects, jo already the projects that have been released, unko bada sara pyar mila, and now we are ready for Prabhas sir ka dhamaka, and usse pehle yahan pe this. Talk to us about this, you know, backing this vision of Gopi sir, please.
So, good afternoon, everyone. So, basically, People Media Factory, we have come here to make global films. So, we started with Telugu, then Kannada and Tamil. So, we are very glad we are getting an extraordinary debut into the Bollywood with Sunny sir. So, we are very happy to launch a commercial entertainer after Gadar 2, something similar or a more action-oriented, high-octane commercial entertainer. So we are happy to collaborate with Maitri and enter the Bollywood. And Gopichand sir is going to give us to deliver what we are expecting, or a lot more than what we expected. And you could see that in the trailer. And thanks to Randeep sir and Vinith, be part of this and make this a grand success. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Of course, you know, इतने बड़े जो production houses हैं, studios हैं, they've come together to back this project. Let's hear it for the producers, ladies and gentlemen. And thank you so much, Kriti, for being here with us. All right, now it's time to invite on stage some